up with y'all, man? Riwayy in the motherfucking building, you feel me? Riwayy in this thing. And I'm back, you feel me? I'm back. Hey, y'all wondering why I'm on the screen showing my shit? Feel me? Y'all wondering why I'm on this bitch showing my shit? Now look, man. We all know about these troubling times. Hey, I'm sorry y'all hearing this shit in the background, man. I'm in the bathroom because I'm about to get straight to the point. Now look, man. We all know about these troubling times, you feel me? We all know that niggas don't got no barbers, you feel me? We all missing our barbers right now. So look, man, I'm about to show y'all young boys how to motherfucking cut your own shit, get your own shit looking right, you feel me? Hey, man, let's hop into this bitch. What's that? First things first. Now, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I know y'all thought y'all could come in here, you feel me? Just use some motherfucking, I don't know, a knife or some shit. But I'm sorry. Y'all gonna have to make some purchases. Now, the first thing y'all gonna need for this motherfucking in-home cut hair tutorial, whatever the fuck you call that shit. You know what I'm saying? The first thing y'all gonna need to cut y'all hair is some clippers. Now, I got me some Andes. They like $10 at Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Just grab y'all a little face mask, go to Walmart real quick. Get the motherfucking Andes. Them bitches is only $10. Now, number two, what y'all need? Y'all need some razors, okay? Some razors. Now, look. I went to Walmart, you feel me? I went to Walmart looking for some fucking razors. You know them shits that the barbers be using, the flip shits? Them niggas ain't have shit, you feel me? They ain't have the fucking razors that I was looking for. So, I don't know, I did a little bit of research on my computer, you feel me? And I found out that they can't sell that shit because it's considered dangerous or some shit. But the Walmart I live by sell guns, you feel me? Shotguns and shit. So I don't know why the fuck they not selling razors. But hey, man, that's besides the point. So, get you some $2 razors at fucking Lowe's or Home Depot or some shit. I mean, they look like this. Just a little cool something you can line yourself up with, man. You feel me? Cause make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? The third and final thing y'all gonna need is a mirror. See, I'm in the bathroom right now, so of course you gotta do this shit in your bathroom. So you feel me? Oh yeah, I'm doing this shit on my phone. But yeah, man, I'm in the bathroom. I got me. So you need two mirrors basically. Your bathroom mirror, and I use my iPad, the camera from that shit. If you got like an iPad or something, just anything that can reflect the back of your head or something. So you need to see all angles, you feel me? You need to see all angles, and yeah. Some other things you might need. I got me a little black tarp. Like it's a trash bag, you feel me? Just take a trash bag, cut that bitch like in the middle, and lay it on top of your sink so you don't get your hair everywhere, you feel me? That's what I do. Or you could use it as like a you know how the barbers be having a little shit that you wear so the hair don't get on you? Use it as that, you feel me? Just tie it around your neck. Yeah, simple as that, man. So without further ado, you know what I'm saying? Let's make it do what it do. Let's get to this so fucking fresh and clean, you mean? This motherfucking haircut tutorial. You feel me? Let's start. Alright. So first, what I need y'all young boys to do is, I know not all my niggas got the fucking waves. You feel me? I know not all y'all niggas got the waves. Y'all probably got some motherfucking, some trees in y'all shit. You feel me? So, just, the Andes pack come with some clippers, you feel me? I don't use these, but if you got long hair, you could use the, what's it? The 3 by 8 inches. I don't use those. I got another pair of clippers, but I'm only gonna be using the Andes today because the shit is easy like that. You know what I mean? The shit easy like that. It just really just take practice. Once you know how to do it for real, you're not really gonna need all that equipment. Like up until like a few days ago, I just copped the motherfucking razors because I just wanted to add a little finesse to it. You feel me? But I was just using the straight Andes just like that, getting myself fresh. So yeah, I used the 3mm 118. I don't even know what the fuck. Hey man, I'm not at school right now, man. You feel me? But yeah, I use the 3mm Get yourself right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, before we get started, I advise y'all to remove any carpet, bathroom carpet, or anything like that. I advise y'all to move that shit because hair will get everywhere. Hair will get. Matter of fact, I might as well take off the shirt, you feel me? Show the 6-pack for y'all young niggas. Feel me? No homo shit though. No.
It's like, nah, y'all thought y'all gonna see that shit. Nigga, fuck wrong with y'all.
I'm keeping this bitch on. Alright. Set this bitch somewhere. Alright. So first, we gonna get the front of the hair. You know what I'm saying? We get the front of the hair. With the Andes clippers, they got this thing, right? When Andes clippers, they got this. So basically, it's like a clipper extension. So if you move it back, the clipper, it cuts off less hair. But if you move it all the way further, like if you move it all the way up, like this, it cuts off the most amount of hair. So starting off, we want to move it all the way back because you do not want to fuck up. Because if you fuck up, boy, you might as well just cut the whole thing off. You know what I'm saying? If I fuck up, you might as well just cut off the whole ass waves I got. So move it all the way back. Let's get right into it. You feel me? See that? Get into it already. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'ma fast forward. I don't think y'all want to see me you know what I'm saying, do what I gotta do, but I told y'all what to get, and I'ma fast forward, show y'all how it looks at the end of it. You feel me? Let's get it. Alright, check in. This is how I look right now, y'all. I had to do the motherfucking back like a little bit quicker, you feel me? Because my iPad is dying. But as you can already see, I cut it shorter, you feel me? It's significantly shorter. I'm gonna get the working on the sides, you feel me? I might trim the beard a little bit, it's getting a little too long. And yeah, oh yeah. Something for you wavers out there. Hold on, let me turn this bitch off. Something for you wavers out there. I know your barber will always tell you this, but I'm gonna remind y'all niggas. If you cutting your waves, see these clippers? Feel me? Make sure you cutting in the direction of your waves. Make sure you're cutting in the direction of your waves, you feel me? Because you do not want to fuck up the wave pattern. And for all you niggas out there, do the same thing. Hey, whatever like texture your hair is, whatever way you see it forming, you feel me? Cut it in that same direction. See, like 360 waves, you want to start cutting like this. Just like how you brush. Cut just like how you brush, you feel me? Same niggas with, if you got long hair, you pick it out. Cut it just like how you pick it out, you feel me? The shit, so it cuts evenly, you feel me? Just a little word of the wise. I think I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how I do this because it's kind of hard to hold the camera while fucking cutting. If you can't tell, like if I could, I would show you niggas how exactly to do it. So hold on, I'm gonna cut right now, and then I'm gonna like fast forward like 5 seconds, and then y'all gonna see how this shit gonna look. Alright, boom. I'm not done, not even close. Hey yo, a little tip for you niggas that's trying to fade y'all shit. Oh shit. Whoo, almost broke the clippers during the video. Okay, a little tip for you niggas that's trying to fade your wave, or not your waves, you're like a taper. You feel me? If you're trying to fade it, no, not even just a taper. Any type of fade, because you always want to fade it to make it look clean. Any type of fade, especially a taper fade, what you want to do is see the end of these clippers right here. When you're cutting, you want to cut at an angle. You know what I'm saying? Just use this, cut the shape you want to form, you feel me? But only the end part. Because if you use the whole part, you know what I'm saying? You just might as well be cutting like this. But you want to cut line like this. Feel me? Cut like that. And then the part that you shave off, you feel me? Just keep going at it. Keep going at it. A little trick I learned from my barber is if you really want to fade something, put your guard on, alright? Put the clipper guard on, and like the part you want to fade, right? You see how I'm trying to fade this side? The part you want to fade, keep going at it. Just Keep going at it. Keep going at it. And eventually you start to see that bitch fading. You feel me? That bitch faded. Hey, keep doing that shit. Guarantee you will see fucking results. You feel me? You will see that bitch starting to fade. You feel me? But hey, I'm gonna fade this thing a little bit more with that same technique I just showed y'all. Y'all go see how it looks. You feel me? Alright. Ooh. Can y'all tell the difference already? You feel me? Can y'all tell the difference already, man? I can already see y'all boys pulling the ladies right now. You feel me? Hey, this is not just for the men. It's also for the women who want to know how they cut their hair. You feel me? We don't discriminate over this way. So what we gonna do right now? Gonna shape up. Give myself a nice little shape up. You feel me? Because I got a circle hairline. I ain't gonna lie. And then after that, we gonna, you know what I'm saying? Just leave the little chin hair. We gonna cut this shit off. Alright, y'all fucking with it? Y'all fucking with it so far? Y'all fucking with it? I hope y'all is, you feel me? Yeah. Woo! 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 And I'm spinning too. Do you feel me? Hey, don't worry, y'all. I did not fuck up. I left this part here on purpose. I'm trying to grow that out. You feel me? I cut this side. Trying to grow the shit on my cheek out because a nigga got a struggle beard, you feel me? I'm trying to leave this shit to grow. I don't want to damage it. I don't want to do nothing to it. Same as this side. I'm just leaving the little chin, the cheek hairs. Feel me? I'm gonna get to the mustache in a minute. And it's still there, you feel me? It's still developing, you feel me? So hey, look, one secret, right? When you doing this with the razor, right? You want to pull your head back, like your skin back while you're doing it. Like this, right? Pull your skin back with one hand and to the sides, like inwards, up, inwards, up, inwards. You feel me? Like that. It makes it more precise, less room for error. You're not trying to be out here cutting, you know what I'm saying? I got a little cut right there. It's a little tiny something, but you're not trying to be out here looking like motherfucking Floyd Mayweather after he beat motherfucking Manny Pacquiao, you feel me? So I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. But yeah, yo, you're not trying to look like that, you feel me? So you gotta make sure your shit is precise. Feel me? And I got another life hack for y'all niggas, bruh. Y'all getting a fucking 3-in-1 today, man. A 3-in-1. Look, for any of y'all young boys with a motherfucking scrappy beard or a fucked up beard, I learned a trick. It's kind of weird, it's kind of cheeky, but hey man, it pulls, you feel me? Let a nigga pull, you feel me? So look, see what I got in my hand? The pen. I said the pen. Whatever, the ladies styling pencil, I don't know what the fuck they call this. Put this bitch in your beard. Hey, you feel me? Just color that bitch in. I like to tap it in just a little bit, but you seen it. You seen it. You see what it does. It'll help y'all niggas pull. You feel me? But hey, man, I hope y'all like the little cut tutorial. I hope y'all like that. Damn, my arm killing me. Hope y'all like this, man. Hey, subscribe for more fucking content just like this. You feel me? I'm gonna help y'all niggas during this quarantine. Feel me? I'm out this thing.